Good evening, students. Today we are doing chapter 27, probability. So, probability is the measuring the chance mathematically, right? Probability, the possibility of happening any event is called a chance, right? And when we are measuring the chance mathematically, then it is called probability. Okay, so now we have a formula to find the probability of the occurrence of an event. So this is the formula. This is the symbol to write a probability of an event, and the formula is like that. This is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. This is the formula to find the probability of an event, right? So here I am starting the exercise 27. The first question is given: a coin is tossed one. What is the probability of getting a head? In the first question, we have to find the probability of getting a head. So when we toss a coin, all possible outcomes. In tossing a coin, we get two possibilities, head or tail, right? So these are two possibilities or two outcomes. So you have to write like this: all possible outcomes, this. So total number of outcomes becomes 2. Favorable outcomes in tossing, we can get head or tail, right? So favorable means head, we get one time. So favorable outcomes is 1. So we can write probability of getting head is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now question number 2. In question number 2, it is given a dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting? First part is number 4. Okay. So for a dice, in a dice, when we roll a dice, we have 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 possible outcomes. So total number of outcomes we can write it 6. And we have to find the probability of getting 4. We can get 4 one time only, right? On rolling a dice. So favorable outcomes is 1 and total is 6. In a dice, if we are finding the probability of getting 4, number 4, so favorable outcome 1 and total outcome is 6. So the probability is 1 upon 6. The probability of getting 4 is 1 upon 6. Now the second part of it. In the second part, we have to find the probability of getting an odd number, right? So in unrolling a dice, we can get 3 odd numbers, 1, 3 and 5. So it means favorable outcomes are 3. So favorable outcomes are 3. So we have to write probability of getting odd numbers is favorable upon total outcomes. So it is 3 upon 6. We can cut 3 and 6 by 3. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now in the question number 3. In question number 3, a dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting? First part is it is a prime number. We have to find the probability of getting a prime number. So here you can see that probability of getting a prime number. So in a dice we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So we have 3 prime numbers. It means 3 favorable outcomes. So here also we have written 3 over 6 and we can cut it by 3. So it is 1 upon 2.